That was a cool little snake we just found. We're out here on a little nature walk. Woldumar out in Lansing. It's a pretty cool place. Like these little stairs they have all around here. What? Oh, it just fits. Everything's nice and wood and it looks natural. Looks like it's naturally occurring in here, even though it's really not. Oh, we're coming to our first little stop here. Kim and I. What'd you say?
There's another path down that way.
Little path down. Yeah, no. That's a little steep.
No, over there where those people are.
Oh yeah, that's probably the back way around. A lot of kids out here. Probably happy just to be out of the house. I would be. Stuck in there with your parents all day. All the laughter and stuff. Yeah, it's such a great view from here. Yeah, and we're gonna keep on trekking through. Hopefully get to the lagoon here soon.
The other part of the water.
Oh, we'll get there. Coming up to one of our favorite little spots in this place. Little metal bridge here. Nice little look out over the water. Every once in a while you get to see a little something going by, maybe a duck. I guess that's more usually in the summertime, but it's a good little spot to check out some cool stuff. It's Keem. There's on the other side. Hear all the frogs and stuff out on the distance. Man, love this place. So calm and peaceful. It's great. Alright, well this is something new we haven't seen before. Last time we were here, it was just a little stream. Now they built this neat little bridge right here. It's pretty cool. I like it. Don't have to get muddy anymore. See this Kim walking by. That's super convenient. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Man, these frogs are real loud today. I don't know if you can hear it over the audio with this little GoPro I'm just using, but damn, they are loud. Wow. Oh hey, there's the little kayaks over there. Forgot you can rent those here, right?
Yeah.
I think you can rent them. Take a look over there. Not the greatest without any zoom, but hey, still pretty cool to see. Love walking through here. Here we are at the Loud Lagoon. It's back over where the kayaks are over there. It's a cool little spot. It's probably a speedboat or something that comes through here every once in a while.
Stir up the water.
Oh yeah. Just cool. I wonder if you can just fish through here or not. I don't know. We haven't really come here in the summer. Time we come here, it's usually in late fall, early late fallish. Now spring. I think this is our third time being here before. I don't quite remember. It's a tree over its side. Over there. I actually thought that the back half of it, I kind of thought it was like a Bigfoot den. You know how they have those. There's a big mound of trees up here coming. Check those out. Yeah, here we are. This is where the Bigfoot lives.
Bigfoot's not real.
How do you know? You don't know he's not real.
Science.
Look at that. Big brown, big old pile of sticks. Well, I guess there's like a little house over there. That could be his too. You never know. You don't know what kind of cash Bigfoot's pulling in from them royalties.
Oh yeah, I bet.
They got a ton of movies. And the Jack Link's jerky uses his image, so maybe he's getting a lot of bang from there. You never know. Coming up to another little cool bridge here. Little weird little, oh, it's a bird seed sail. Bird seed sail, okay. It's interesting. Huh. Didn't know they sold bird seed on a bridge. Little muddy. Ooh, little floating bridge. These floating bridges are always really cool. Doesn't make you feel like you're gonna sink right in though. Whoa. This bad boy's dipping down.
The water's so green.
Yeah, it is real green.
It's really bubbly. See the bubbles?
Yeah. Wonder why that is. I wonder if it's some naturally occurring thing from the algae. Huh?
Probably from your stinky ass.
Stinky, your stinky ass.
During the
Woodland
summer,
pond.
it's usually covering what looks like thin green film.
Informational. And they have this another little stable platform for you're not freaking out.
You're not freaking out.
You're freaking out, man.
You're a baby.
You're a baby. You're the one who needs the baby napkin.
Yeah.
Right, well that's gonna conclude our little end walk around Woldumar. I always want to call it Voldemort. Yeah, stay tuned for other videos. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.